Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. The week gone by saw K-pop dominating the scene, while BTS member Jungkook and Blackpink's Rosé clashed for a unique reason. Lisa found herself in trouble. Overall, it was quite a busy week for the Korean entertainment industry. In case you missed out on all the updates, here's everything that made news in the past 7 days. BTS is working hard on its comeback album, and we have proof. In a massive photo dump by J-Hope, we got to see several photos and videos from the band's recent times in Los Angeles. But two videos, however, grabbed attention where Jimin, Jungkook and V are inside a studio seemingly recording a song. The video is part of J-Hope's photo dump on Instagram that is blowing up their massive fandom. This adds to the previous videos that surfaced where BTS rap line RM, Suga and Hobi were seen working in the studio too. ARMYs are convinced it's all from their upcoming album production, with many trying to guess about the album from the hints dropped by OT7 on social media. Newly formed boy band Cortis launched its digital single What You Want amid a lot of fanfare. Cortis, comprising of 5 members Martin, James, Joohoon, Songyeon and Kyunho, released its highly anticipated title track from their upcoming EP on August 18th. The brand new boy band has been launched by Big Hit Music under the label Hybe. Its digital single, What You Want, is touted to be its conceptual performance film that asserts its unique identity in the K-pop scene. The pre-release track is part of their upcoming album, Color Outside the Lines, set to release on September 8th. The news of BTS member V throwing his first ceremonial pitch at a Dodgers game was a huge gift for the ARMYs. Ever since the Los Angeles Dodgers made the announcement, the internet has been on fire. In fact, it left the ticket and the MLB site crashed. According to StubHub, one of America's largest ticketing platforms, Dodgers ticket sales jumped 5 times overnight too. This marks V's first ceremonial pitch and comes as BTS is preparing to return with a new album and embark on its impending world tour next year. V, along with his bandmates Jimin, RM, Jin, Suga, Jungkook and J-Hope, are currently in the US to work on their next album's production. Amid its ongoing dispute with New Jeans, Adore announced its new CEO, Lee Do-kyung. This comes after Minhyjin was asked to step down during a major feud with Adore last year. Lee Do-kyung, who served as the vice president of Hybe, will now take on the new role. Post Minhyjin's dismissal, human resources expert Kim Jo-young was put to the post of CEO. Meanwhile, New Jeans and Adore continue their legal battle over exclusive contract violation dispute. Netizens are now discussing what Lee's appointment will bring to the table for both the company and the 5-member girl band. Virtual idol group Plave faced a bomb threat ahead of its Seoul concert. A man in his 20s was apprehended after the threat surfaced on August 19th. The suspect reportedly left a message threatening to place explosives at the K-pop group's concert. As per police claims, the accused allegedly altered a promotional photo for Plave's Encore concert, which has been slated for November 21st and 22nd. During questioning, the accused called it just a prank. The case is now under further investigation. This comes after the boys had to delay their show due to a similar bomb warning recently. Fans of BTS member Jungkook and Blackpink's Rosé clashed for a different reason. And interestingly, it's not for their tracks 7 and APT. Jungkook's fans were disappointed with a recent media report that claimed that Blackpink member Rosé's pet Hank is the most followed celebrity dog on Instagram. They started arguing that Jungkook's dog Bam was the one with 7.7 million followers against 4.6 million followers for Hank. Social media became a playground of claims in no time, with fan pages getting flooded with photos and videos of Bam. Jungkook's pet was first seen as his lock screen on August 31st, 2021 during his birthday party. Later, Bam was officially introduced in the Soup BTS version Season 2. Meanwhile, Hank was adopted by Rosé on December 2, 2020. She took him home from an animal shelter after he was abandoned by his previous owner. Blackpink member Lisa faced accusations of sexually harassing Japanese actor model Kentaro Sakaguchi during the shooting of their short film Dream. Lisa and Kentaro gave fans an intense dose of lost love and yearning in their short film Dream. It, however, landed Lisa in trouble. Soon after the film's release on August 14th, both the stars posted several behind-the-scenes photos and videos from the shooting. While fans were in awe seeing their off-screen chemistry, one particular shot from the sets irked many, where Lisa was seen biting Kentaro's arm in a playful manner in the presence of the entire crew. Netizens, especially Japanese fans, quickly called it sexual harassment, demanding apology from Lisa. One of Korea's most eligible bachelors, Kim Jong-kook, is finally tying the knot. The singer personally revealed the news with a handwritten letter. He uploaded it on his official fan cafe soon after his agency confirmed his wedding announcement. His marriage makes his 30th debut anniversary year even more special. The wedding ceremony will be a private affair with only family and close acquaintances in presence. Though Kim Jong-kook refrained from divulging details about his future wife, fans started their guessing game. It turns out that the woman is a Los Angeles-based non-celebrity. She's a 38-year-old CEO of a cosmetics company. Kim is known for appearing in Running Man. Big Bang member G-Dragon aka Kwon Ji-young marked his 37th birthday on August 18th in the presence of close friends. The K-pop king rang his special day in the company of close friends, including the 88 Liners. Host TV personality Hong Jin-kyung took fans inside G-Dragon's birthday bash that saw several stars like 17's Seungkwan, The 8, and Hoshi, comedian Jo Se-ho, actor Jung Hae-in, and Dex. The rapper had presumably sent each one of them personalized invitations drawn in shape of a wine glass and having the names of every guest written inside. G-Dragon's birthday bash comes soon after he got embroiled in a plagiarism and copyright infringement case. In a groundbreaking achievement, K-pop Demon Hunter's song Golden by fictional band Huntrix has surpassed 900 perfect all kills, setting a new record in South Korea. A perfect all kill occurs when a song ranks number 1 across all major South Korean daily and real-time music charts simultaneously, including Melon, Jenny Music, YouTube Music, and more, as tracked by iChart. Voiced by EJ, Audrey Nuna, and Rayami, Golden gained explosive momentum following the release of K-pop Demon Hunters on June 20th. Before Golden, New Jeans Ditto, BTS's Dynamite, IU's Celebrity, IV's I Am, Zico's Any Song, and aespa's Supernova were some of the entries in the record. And that's all we have this week. For all the entertainment updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimamsa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.